Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off of Robinhood. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this. To withdraw money from Robinhood, you can use the Robinhood app by following these steps. First, open your phone and navigate to the Robinhood app. Log in to your account. Once logged in, go to the bottom of your home screen and tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. From the menu displayed, tap on Transfers and then select Transfer Money. Next, under the From field, select the Robinhood account from which you want to withdraw money. Under the To field, select the linked bank account that you want to transfer the money to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap Review. After reviewing the details, tap Transfer and then tap Continue. A prompt will be displayed indicating that your withdrawal has been submitted. The transfer process will begin, and your withdrawal may take up to 5 business days to complete. So there you have it, you can get money off of Robinhood using these steps. Thanks for watching. Till next time.